Hello, Bishop State, and welcome to another Tech Tip Tuesday and 2 with your host, Robert McWilliam. Today's tip is going to be on using Google Hangout to make outgoing calls. Now, at the time of this recording, we are in the midst of the COVID-19 pandemic, and of course, um, most school workers are at home working remotely. Many of you all may want to contact your students. However, you do not want to use your personal phones to do so. You make use of your Bishop State Gmail account to access Google Hangout to make phone calls. So let me show you how to do that. If you will, go into your Chrome browser. It's very important that you make sure that you're in the Chrome browser when you do this. You'll go to the Google Apps here, scroll down to Hangout, and it's going to bring you to this screen. Google Hangout welcome screen. In my case, it says, "Hi, Robert." And basically, you would click phone call. And you can click on new conversation, put in the phone number. I'm going to put in my phone number for work. And then from there, you can do call. And if you listen, you can see that it's actually ringing my work number.
You may press pound at any time to leave a message. Hi, and thank you for calling the voicemail of Robert McWilliams. Coordinate.
So, of course, you can hear that it actually does work. Now, keep in mind when this calls out, you don't get an actual number, such as with Google Voice. Now, the Bishop State email does not have Google Voice enabled. However, you can create a personal Gmail account and actually access Google Voice to create a personal number where people can call you back. But with Google Hangouts, you can call and it shows to the caller an unknown or private number. So, some people are antsy when it comes to private or unknown numbers coming to them. But it's a good way to reach out to students or leave a voicemail anonymously without utilizing your personal phone line. And in essence, that is today's tip. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. And as always, have a great Bishop State Day.